everyone, and thanks so much for joining me. Today I'm heading to Black Rocks Campground in Bundjalung National Park. This national park sits between the towns of Iluka and Evans Head on the New South Wales north coast. It's roughly about 2 hours south of the Gold Coast. Black Rocks Campground is about 20 kilometres from the main highway turn-off. The road in starts off as bitumen, but then turns to dirt and gravel, and there is a few potholes and a few corrugations along the way. I've booked into Black Rocks Campground for 3 nights. I'm sort of hoping that the weather improves a bit, because at the moment it's a bit wet and gloomy and grey. Wow, what a difference a day makes. After yesterday's wet and wild, windy, grey, gloomy conditions, today I've woken up to no wind, clear skies and the most spectacular sunrise. The Jerusalem Creek walking track starts from the northern end of Black Rocks Campground, and the walk is 4 kilometres each way. Fair bit of water on the track. I'd say they've had a fair bit of rain over the last couple of days. I'd better guess. But anyway, still a nice enjoyable walk. And keep going, press on. Well, this is the end of the Jerusalem Creek walk. It's about 4 kilometres from the start, and it's another 4 kilometres back obviously. But really nice spot up here. It's beautiful when it's not windy, and the sun's out again now, which is great. The beach is just over there, and it's just spectacular on a day like today. It's a really nice walk. You're allowed to drive your four-wheel drives on the beach at Bundjalung National Park. However, there is no vehicle access from Black Rocks Campground. The vehicle access onto the beach is from the very southern end of the beach, about 5 kilometres north of Iluka. For those that are interested, I thought I'd give a quick tour of this campground, just to give you an idea of the layout and the sites themselves. So I'm staying in campsite number 11 at Black Rocks Campground. As you can see, it's a pretty big site. Most of them are quite large, which is great. Plenty of room. Each site's got a camp table and bench and a fire pit. And yeah, they're really well laid out. Plenty of room between them, between each of the sites, so you're not cramped in on each other. And yeah, plenty of room on each side as well. So really well laid out campground. There's no power or water to any of the sites, but there is toilets. No showers, but toilets spread out around the campground. This afternoon, a massive thunderstorm has rolled in from the southeast, and it's created the most amazing and spectacular cloud formations. I've captured it on my GoPro as a time lapse, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and it would be great if you would consider subscribing to the channel.